Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a price list so you can begin selling products through your galleries. So to get started, you'll want to click the selling icon on the left and then click price lists. We're going to create a price list. From here, you can select your shoot type and a subcategory if you choose. Click next. Here you'll want to name your price list and select your vendor. If you're in the United States, your choices are MPix and Bay Photo. Let's leave it at MPix for now. Down below, you can either set up a price list from scratch by choosing blank price list, or you can create one with commonly sold products, which is recommended. Let's do that for this tutorial. Now it's going to take you into the price list itself so you can begin customizing. You'll see it's already created some packages for you. You can leave those as is, or you can edit them. Below that, you have the option to enable smart pricing. Smart pricing allows e-com trends in your area to determine how much you should charge for products. You can also choose to enable the Quick Shop. Quick Shop allows clients to quickly add individual products to their shopping cart when they're viewing a gallery. And you have the option to edit. Now below, you'll see it's already added commonly sold products and it's priced them, but you can change that if you wish. If you click edit, from here, you'll see all of your options for sizes, paper types, additional options such as luster coating, or you can add an option for framed prints. Let's go ahead and leave that as is. Now, if this is your first price list, you will need to connect Stripe before selling options can be enabled in the gallery. Zenfolio does use Stripe to process payments, and this is also how you'll be paid the profits from your sales. Up here in the upper right, if you click price list settings, this is where you can set your order approval options. We do highly recommend that you manually approve orders. That just gives you a chance to fine tune them before they go to the vendor for printing. And you can also assign your price list to a gallery. Just for example, let's set it to this gallery. Now, if everything looks good, click Save. Down below, you'll be able to see the number of packages and products that you're offering. Once it saves, you'll get a confirmation there. And then you're ready to begin selling. I hope this helps, but as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.